Welcome to Nirnal. Purity in your pocket. This is a tutorial video of our brand new travel bottle filter. Let us see what we get in the box. Water sipper. Neck strap. Water filter unit. This filter can be used with any PET bottle or cold drink bottle. Just attach the filter to the bottle as shown. There you go. This filter purifies the water up to 99.9% and up to 0.2 microns. But what if you have a large bottle with a big neck? Do not worry. Take the sipper and attach it to the filter as shown. Now put the entire filter in the bottle, and whenever you need water, just sip it by using the sipper. You can carry the filter anywhere by using the neck strap. Attach the neck strap to the filter as shown. Yes, now you can use it in camping, trekking, or anywhere while traveling. Thank you for watching the tutorial. For more information or to buy this product, visit our website www.nirnal.in or contact us via email or mobile number.